Little Anvil's wood beam LED pendant light now features optional wireless RF dimming. The LA LED 4-zone remote control is the ideal solution for dimming single-colour LED strip. Featuring on, off and dimming functions, wireless RF dimming doesn't require line of sight to operate, unlike infrared on a TV remote. Pair it with the LA LED wireless dimmer receiver for smooth, flicker-free dimming from 1 to 100%. Control multiple lights individually or synchronously with the same remote. This high-quality handset has tactile buttons with a velvet touch, and the magnetic wall mount feature makes storage easy. Find out more at littleanvil.com.